Feature scaling and transformation. Welcome. Today we will explore an essential topic in data preprocessing: feature scaling and transformation. Feature scaling is crucial because many machine learning algorithms struggle when numerical attributes have very different scales. Without proper scaling, features can dominate others, leading to inefficient model training and poor performance. What is feature scaling? Feature scaling involves standardizing or normalizing the range of feature values. Let's break down these two key methods. Normalization, also known as min-max scaling. This method scales the data to a fixed range, typically between 0 and 1. It's useful when you need the features to have the same influence. Both maximum and minimum values are considered in this process. Standardization or z-score scaling. This centers the data around the mean with a standard deviation of 1. Instead of compressing the values into a specific range, it accounts for the distribution of the data. This method is helpful when your data follows a Gaussian distribution. Robust scaling. This approach is robust to outliers. It scales the features using statistics like the median and interquartile range, making it useful when extreme values are present. Now let's discuss why feature scaling is crucial for machine learning. Importance of feature scaling. Many algorithms such as k-nearest neighbors, support vector machines, and neural networks operate better with scaled features. When features are on different scales, those with larger ranges can dominate the model's behavior, leading to inaccurate predictions. By scaling the features, we help ensure that all features contribute equally, improving the model's performance. Additionally, scaling can enhance the convergence speed during optimization, allowing the model to learn faster. Feature transformation. Feature transformation is closely related to scaling, as both techniques help to prepare your data for better model performance. It refers to changing the form of the features to make them more suitable for the model. This can involve techniques like logarithmic transformations, square roots, or even polynomial features. In summary, feature scaling and transformation are vital steps in preparing your data for machine learning. They help models learn effectively by ensuring uniformity in feature contribution. Without these steps, you risk poor model performance and misleading results. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos that will dive deeper into machine learning practices.